Bulking adds strength but leaves you carrying excess fat. Cutting strips the fat but eats away at your hard-earned muscle. For most lifters, fitness swings between these two frustrating extremes, forcing you to constantly choose which loss to accept. This dilemma stems from a strict biological conflict. Losing fat requires a catabolic state, where your body breaks down tissue for energy. Building muscle demands the exact opposite, an anabolic state, where you feed your body extra calories to construct new tissue. Because these goals directly oppose each other, it is easy to assume your metabolism acts like a hard switch, set to either destroy or build. But human metabolism is highly calibratable. It operates more like a dimmer dial. By dialing into a very specific physiological state called body recomposition, you can force your body to pull fuel directly from its own stored fat and use that energy to construct new muscle mass at the same time. Bypassing the traditional bulk-core-set cycle is a precise biological exploit. You are redirecting your internal energy reserves to accomplish two opposing goals simultaneously. Before executing this method, we have to establish its limits. If you are already a highly advanced shredded lifter, this protocol will not work for you. Your metabolic efficiency is already maximized. This chart shows the 3 specific physiological profiles mathematically primed for this biological loophole. Beginners whose bodies are hyper-responsive to new resistance, individuals carrying extra body fat which serves as a premium energy reserve, and comeback warriors relying on muscle memory after a long break. Step 1 requires giving your body a severe enough mechanical challenge to warrant adaptation. If you do not push your muscles to struggle, they have no reason to change. This requires progressive overload. You must incrementally increase the weight on the bar, the number of repetitions, or your total sets over time. This continuous strain forces your biology to level up to handle the new stress. But systematic progression fails the moment it turns into ego lifting. Throwing heavy weight around with dangerous, uncontrolled form destroys the specific mechanical tension your muscles actually need to grow. Every single repetition must be strictly controlled. That control maximizes the exact tension required to properly recruit and exhaust muscle fibers. That mathematically progressive physical strain acts as the ignition switch. It provides your body with an undeniable biological reason to start draining energy from your fat stores to build new tissue. This chart shows the nutrition sweet spot, a deficit slight enough for fat loss, but not deep enough to cannibalize muscle. To fortify your body, maintain a strict protein mandate of 1.6 to 2 grams per kilogram to prevent stealing existing muscle amino acids. Attempting to manually calculate these specific macronutrients and your exact maintenance calories takes constant adjustments. That endless mental math is the primary reason most people experience burnout and abandon the protocol entirely. A tool like CalAI completely eliminates this guesswork. It automates the calculations, determining the exact target numbers you need to sustain your unique recomposition state without manual spreadsheets. You can utilize the app's camera to snap photos of your meals or scan a protein bar barcode. It instantly analyzes the image and logs the precise macro data for you. Once your nutrition is locked in, you have to avoid a massive psychological trap. Many people execute their diet perfectly, step on the bathroom scale, and panic when the number refuses to drop. This chart shows the progress illusion in action. Because muscle tissue is significantly denser than fat, swapping one biological material for the other creates a vastly altered physical shape that weighs exactly the same. Discarding the scale and relying strictly on the app to track your visual progress photos is the only scientifically accurate way to measure true body recomposition. Step 3 focuses on sleep. While it feels like downtime, this is when your body enters its most physique recomposition state, actively repairing muscle while fat oxidation continues. Poor sleep severely disrupts your hormones. It stalls metabolism, forcing your body to burn muscle tissue for energy while aggressively hoarding its fat stores. You must protect a minimum of 7 hours of high-quality sleep every night. This sets the parameters for your hormones to rebalance and keeps your metabolism running clean. Step 4 optimizes your cardiovascular output, and it comes with a strict warning. You must actively avoid high-intensity cardio sessions during a recomposition phase. Pushing your heart rate to its absolute maximum acts as a corrosive force. Unless your body fat is exceptionally high, that intensity will rapidly burn right through the exact muscle tissue you just spent months building. The mandate here is simple. Restrict your cardio to low-intensity movements. Targeting a steady baseline of 10,000 steps a day provides all the fat oxidation you need. Aggressive rest and low-impact movement act as your protective shields. They defend your new muscle gains while permitting continuous, steady fat loss. The complete biological blueprint relies on 4 pillars: heavy progressive training, automated precise nutrition, deep protected sleep, and low-intensity cardio. Flawlessly executing these 4 variables forces your system to safely swap fat for muscle. You no longer have to sacrifice one goal to achieve the other. You can initiate Step 2 immediately by downloading Cal AI. Use the code CAPTAINWORKOUT for a free trial and log your Day 1 progress photo right now. Executing this sequence aligns your training, fuel, and recovery into a single cohesive system. By following these specific parameters, you move past the cycle of compromise and allow your biology to sustain both growth and fat loss simultaneously.